Have you ever wondered why the language of computers feels so eerily familiar? Lines of code, source files, nested functions, machines communicating through syntax and logic gates, almost as if they're speaking in the same pattern our own minds use, because in many ways, they are. Computers run on source code, the fundamental instructions that tell them how to process input, generate output, and adapt to new commands. Every application, every operating system, every AI is a tapestry woven from these commands. We think of it as mechanical, artificial, but humans are built the same way. Your DNA is your primary source code, a biochemical programming language older than any computer. Your beliefs are your firmware, your habits are your recurring scripts, your memories are stored in a neural hard drive accessible by triggers, some of which you wrote and some of which were written for you. Which raises the question, are we living our own self-authored programs, or are we running pre-installed narratives, stories embedded by us in culture, media, and systems we never questioned? The philosopher Plato compared reality to shadows on a cave wall, images that we mistake for truth. Today, those shadows are lines of social code, algorithms, advertisements, and entertainment, training our responses just like a programmer trains a machine. In metaphysical science, this is a pattern entrainment, the way repeated inputs sculpt perception. In neuroscience, it's called neural conditioning. The language of mystics, it's called a spell. The human mind has the capacity for improvisation, and it's when the thought breaks free from the pre-written script. It's not randomness, it's the creative leap between what is coded and what could be. It's like jazz in the brain, quantum in the soul, the ability to combine fragments of memory, instinct, and imagination into something the program never expected. You might also call this free will. Neuroscientists might call it emergent cognition. Mystics call it divine sparks. Whatever the label is, the glitch that can rewrite the code is the moment you stop running on default and start composing your own symphony in real time. This is where decoding comes in. Decoding is not just about symbols in the media. It's about tracing the architecture of your own mind, finding the if-then statements that no longer serve you and rewriting them so your life runs on your chosen operating system. Because once you see the code, you can change the program. You can identify when a thought is your own and when it's a preloaded function from someone else's design. You can detect the embedded loops, the viruses of fear, and patch them with truth and intention. Your body is the hardware, your consciousness is the mainframe, and your attention is the root access key. And when you reclaim that access, you stop being just another terminal running the system script, and you become the programmer of your own reality. So stay encoded, stay sovereign. This has been a Tailored Healing Transmission.